Hi, this is Amy Prince. What's your name, please?
My name is Janu Tuli.
May I ask you some question about yourself?
Yes.
Could you tell me what's your full name?
My name is Janu Tuli and my surname is Shikha.
Okay. Do you have any nickname?
My nickname Tuli.
Tuli. How do you spell your name?
T-U-L-I.
Wow, that's very wonderful. So, please tell me where you're from.
I'm from Kotuakhali, but now I live in Barisha.
What do you do? Are you a student or job holder?
I'm a student. I study at Shohid Abdul Rauf Seniabad Textile Engineering College.
Very
Barisha.
well. Please tell me what you do in your spare time.
I sing a song and because it's a mind refreshing and I loved it.
That's very good. What's your hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening because it's very mind refreshing and my favorite hobby is
Thank you. So please tell me about your favorite dish. What do you like to have? What's your favorite dish?
dish is biryani. I loved it because it's a very tasty and nourishing and it's full of protein.
Very good. What's your favorite dress?
My favorite dress is jeans, tops and lehenga.
Do you watch TV?
Yes.
Now, what's your favorite TV channel?
My favorite TV channel is Sony Max because it's the telecast by Hindi movie, Tamil movie, Telugu movie, and sometimes it's telecast English movie.
That's very good. Do you love any games or sports?
Yes,
Yeah. What's your favorite game?
cricket. Because it's an enjoyable game and I
Well, do you use internet?
yes I use
What's your favorite website?
Facebook because it's
Well, please tell me about your liking and disliking. What makes you happy and makes you sorry?
I'm very happy for shopping and I dislike is smoking and
Well, are you married or single?
single.
Or what do you want to be in future? What's your future plan?
My future plan is I want to be an engineer and help my father, mother, sister.
Well, thank you very much. Thanks for talking to me.
Yeah.